If you're new, welcome back to another video. It is a boy called in black, back with the normal consistent posting. If you're an old one, welcome back again. Here we do have a very interesting video. Yeah, I said that in every video because every video I post is interesting.
He ain't lying.
So obviously today, guys, remember that we do have a build on this channel now. For those that don't know, we do have a Mini Cooper that is being built right now. It's like a whole project right now, and today I am going to like check it out. I believe the last time I was there, it was still being welded where there was rust. So today I think it was from the paint booth. I was sent some pictures, but today you're going to see it. Actually, the new engine is in, so we are going to like see how the build is coming on right now. It's gonna be a very fun video. I'm happy. I'm excited to like see how the car looks, how the car looks like right now, because I saw a photo and I was like, damn, like I was actually happy. So that's good progress right now. You know, I'm all dipped out. I'm about to like leave, so I'll pick up the camera back when I am there. But there's one thing I have to say. If you're new here, by the way, please do leave a comment, like this video. Let's get to 10,000 likes. Is that even reachable? I don't know. Yeah, anyway, I was struggling. Okay, it's something that I've been thinking. I've been wanting to like make my content look like other people's content, and then I forget that I am me. Okay, these videos are me, so like I'm going to like vlog like me. This because a comment said that if I'm about to talk bro, that comment was stupid. Anyway, guys, I'll pick up the camera back when I'm there. So let's get to 5,000 subs before the year ends, or maybe 10k. If that's possible, I think that's possible, bro. I think that is so possible. So let's get to subscribing, liking, and sharing. Road to 10k subs, man. Road to 10k subs. But before my birthday, let's get to 3k subs. Okay, just 3k subs, bro. 3k. It's next month. 3k subs. Anyway, I'll pick up the camera back when I'm there. Peace out. Love you guys so much.
So guys, I just got here and bro, there is some progress with the car. That's a good thing, obviously. And yeah, that's what we wanted. The car is literally in front of me right now, and let me just flip the camera and basically show you what has been done right now. It is progress from the last time it was here. So you guys see this car right now. It's a complete change, but in the next few weeks it's gonna be a lot more change, obviously. So here we have obviously this is the car that we had earlier, and it's been had the anti-rust paint job on it. That kind of looks awesome to me. The engine has been fixed, obviously, but this is how the interior is right now. That's what it is as you speak right now. Looks kind of, you know, like a car right now. That's a new gearbox shift that has been bought and placed over there. That's basically how the car looks right now. But this one will obviously have to be changed because of the power steering that we want to like fix on this thing. That's how it's basically like a shell right now. Right now it's still being fixed, some few things here and there. These wheels, guys, are for sale, so if you want these wheels, kindly DM me or Kutaju. I'll have his number over here. They are for sale right now. And also the engine, it's an original engine from Mini Cooper 850. Very like, yeah, it's basically a new engine, basically. Or not really a new engine, original engine. Now they're doing some few things here and there. Before, this one has to be like, before the primer and the first coat, they have to like make sure that there's no dents and everything. So all these things that you're seeing here, they're gonna have like, oh, that's hot. They're gonna have like, how's it called, filler and everything. All these rust presses are gonna be fixed. Also the boots, I've seen that they've also not fixed the boot area. Let me place this over here. The boot is still not fixed yet, but you know, it's progress. The battery terminals and everything, that will also have to be replaced, obviously. Yeah, but it's good progress. I like this a lot. I like what has been done to it. Look at okay, it's progress, obviously. It's progress. I like it a lot. Where we are right now, it is something, you know? It's something. Then with the engine, it has been fixed. The car runs. I might have a video on this later. So the engine has been fixed. The only thing that's remaining is like to spray the engine bay. I believe they also have to like spray the new mountings are there. I'm not really sure with what they did with the axles, but I don't know. But this guy, funny as hell, and the shocks has also been placed. Steve, ulieka hizo shocks already, no? Yeah. Ulieka shock. Sure. Ama bado hujaweka. Oh,
By time bado tunashughulika tu, lakini bado hajaweka.
bado haijawekwa.
But then itawekwa.
Oh. So like right now, this is where the car stands as we speak. These are they are for sale, and also the engine. It is an original engine from Mini Cooper 850 for sale. These are the doors. I have to leave. So these are the doors. As you can tell, we have some few things that has to be checked out. That's the interior. The car looks kind of nice to me just now, but it's not really like all the way like fixed. There are just some few things that have to be, you know, patched up and everything like that and everything. So as you can tell, all these have to be like made with no filler, because I can tell from the previous owner there was a lot of filler used on this car, which right now has to be fixed with metal. And yeah, so that's the engine. I've showed you this is the engine. Yeah, that's the engine. That's how it looks like. It runs actually. I'll have a video placed over here. The engine runs perfectly. Everything. The only thing that is remaining is to like fix the, how's it called, the shocks. Then all this has to be painted. Then the shocks. Then the brake system. In like 2 months the car will be like on the road, man. In like 2 months this car will be on the road. So that's the thing remaining. Yeah, that's what I came to see over here. Progress. There, the roof. It has to be like so smooth, silky smooth. Damn, silky smooth and everything. That's the gear shift, whatever. It has not really been placed into position yet, but it works. Yeah, everything. It will be an automatic gearbox actually. So that's kind of fun to like have the whole setup. So yeah, the paint job actually. Okay, guys, I forgot to say this. Kindly give us a color choice that we are gonna use on this, because right now we are still overthinking and deciding on what to paint, either red or we want something that hasn't really been done on a Mini Cooper, and a color that is going to stand out from the rest on the road. So that's what we have right now. These things are going to be fixed. These things are going to be fixed. Everything's going to be fixed. Everything's going to be fixed, but buffed down into like good position. Everything's going to be looking minty, scrambleocious and everything. So yeah, that's how the car looks on this angle. Looks nice at this point, bro. The car, I mean, it's progress. Like once you see this kind of progress, you're like, you know, it's going somewhere. So yeah, I'll pick up the camera when I go to a place I'm going to like see Asubi. So I'll pick up the camera when I'm there, man. Peace out, man. Peace out.
Sasa tuingie ndani.
Done from filming the car. I'm about to like leave. I'm having lunch right now. That's a bottle of soda, Fanta. If you're watching this, sponsor me. Yeah, so I'll pick up the camera back when I'm done. I feel like the car has been done with some progress, but I'm not really sure how, you know. Anyway, after 2 weeks I'll be there, then I'll give you guys the update on how the car looks and everything. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. This is just a little update, so I do have like good content planned for you guys tomorrow. So peace out.